Hello, this is Justin from Honors WP. Today I'm going to show you how to send a message to all your LearnDash course enrollees using our messaging plugin. So first to do that, we're going to go to our dashboard. Right here, we have the latest version of LearnDash installed, as well as the latest version of our messaging plugin installed. Let's go right down here to chat settings. So this first setting here, restrict chats to only students and teachers. To send a message to all the users enrolled in a LearnDash course, you want to be sure that this setting is set to no. And as the teacher, you will also want to be sure as a site admin and the instructor of the course that you are also enrolled in the LearnDash course yourself. Otherwise, the functionality of chatting will not work properly. So let's click Save Changes. All right, now let's go to the course. Here we're on the Basic Programming Concepts course. As you can see here, me, Justin Pine, I am the course instructor. I'm also enrolled in the course. So we'll go down here to chat. Now here in the sidebar, we can view the course. Then here, all the members. These are all the users that are enrolled in this LearnDash course, as well as any site admins. Let's go right back up to here, Basic Programming Concepts. I'll just type a intro message. Welcome to the course. Here is a study guide. All right, we'll send that. We can also send an attachment. So in this case, we'll send a PDF attachment of the study guide. Then we'll click send. All right, there we go. So now let's log in as a student who is enrolled in this Basic Programming Concepts course. So go down to here, this user right here, Austin Hall. We'll switch to them. Let's refresh the page. So in this case, this student has happened to completed this course, but you're still able to chat on the course even though you've completed it. So let's go to the chat option. And as you can see here, the student can now read my first message. Welcome to the course. Here is a study guide, and can also click on the study guide PDF, and the PDF will download for them. And that's about it. That is how you can send a message to all your LearnDash course enrollees as a teacher, and how a student can view your messages. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos.